Hi, I'm Rachel of Craft and Explore. Today, let's check out an Easypress Mini, do a quick unboxing, and then do some projects. As with all Cricut machines, the Mini is really well packaged. If you notice on the unboxing, there is that foam thing here at the top to really keep it secure. And with regards to price, at the time of this recording, it's at a sale price of $49.99 USD, while regular price is $69.99. And now, it's time to do projects. I've preheated the Mini on medium setting and placed a cloth under the base to protect the table. So I'm going to be designing a chambray toddler shoe from Old Navy. And the design is a sailor theme. The red is a Cricut Everyday Iron-On, while the sky blue is Siser Easyweed. I'm also going to be using a heat-resistant tape and my kid's socks to put inside the shoe. I'm preheating the shoe for about 5 to 7 seconds. And now I'm gonna apply the first layer of the design, which is the sky blue portion of the sailboat. Just like this. And to keep it in place, I'm gonna use the heat-resistant tape to secure it on both sides. I attempted for the design to go flat onto the shoe, but it didn't do that. And this is exactly what the Easypress Mini is for. It's going to glide smoothly onto the shape of the shoe. So just here, I had to preheat the shoe again because it took me a while to actually place the first layer. I've aligned the second layer onto the shoe and secured it with tape. But this did not turn out perfect, although it was perfectly aligned. So a step that shouldn't be missed is cutting the edges of the plastic transfer so that the design can contour onto the shape of the shoe, or by simply not securing the other end of the plastic transfer and let the Mini do the work. This is what I've done with the other pair. Keep watching on how I did it on the other pair. I'm just repeating the process. I'm preheating the shoe for 5 to 7 seconds. First layer, it's good to secure the ends on both sides. But for the second layer, only secure one side. was talking about a while ago that you should just secure one side. So on the video, I did try to secure the other end, but eventually I figured it's better to not secure it and let the Mini do its work. Project with the Easypress Mini. If you have one, please comment down below what sort of materials or projects you've done with it. And please share your love and press that subscribe button. Happy crafting!